So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this look that I'm wearing right now. I've gone for red lips and bold eyes. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without much ado, let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna start by prepping my skin, and today I'm gonna be using one of these sheet masks by Mamaearth. So they come in different variants. There's Upton, Cocoa, Rice Water, and Vitamin C and Honey. These sheet masks are packed with 9 days of serum hydration, which give a shot of suppleness to your skin, and these are really good. I'm going to be using the Vitamin C sheet mask for skin illumination, and this is how it comes. And you have to cleanse your face, then apply it, relax, remove, and massage it well. It's crafted with goodness of vitamin C, which we all know has antioxidant properties. It helps remove your dark spots and also helps in melanin production, and it also fights free radical damage. Then it has honey, which has nourishing and soothing properties and also helps giving your skin a nice instant glow. So both the ingredients together make your skin radiant and plump and glowy. So I'm gonna keep it for about 15 minutes. So my mask is on, and whatever serum I have on my hands, I'm going to massage it well on my neck. After removing the mask, you have to gently massage the serum into your skin until fully absorbed. And you can see I've got that instant glow. Also, it has made my skin brighter. Also, it's an Indian brand which is plastic positive. So if you're looking for sheet masks, then you can definitely check them out. And you can use my discount coupon code which is Arshiya 2021 for 20% off. And yeah, they come in different variants. There's Upton bamboo sheet mask with turmeric and saffron. We all know turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and saffron helps giving you a blemish-free skin. So if you're dealing with pigmentation, dark spots, and blemishes, then this is the mask that you need. Then there's rice water bamboo sheet mask, which has rice water and coconut milk. Again, they retain firmness of the skin and also give you clear and smooth appearance. Rice water is filled with amino acids and vitamins, which helps clear your skin. Then there's this coffee one with coffee and cocoa. We all know coffee has soothing properties. It is an antioxidant which helps boost your blood flow, leading to collagen production, and tightens your pores and also prevents from sun damage. So you can check these out on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, and Mama.com. After applying a layer of moisturizer, I'm using this MAC strobe cream and applying a good amount all over my face. Next, I'm using my Forever 52 cream palette. It has concealer shades as well as one contour shade, and I'm using the darker colored concealer to conceal my dark circles and little bit of spots that I have on my face. Then I'm using my Forever 52 liquid foundation. It's a beautiful foundation. It's in the shade FLF011, and I'm using my pack foundation brush to apply it and blend it out as well. It might seem a little white a bit, but it is going to get absorbed into my skin, and yeah, the color will be fine. For concealer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm going to be using it as a highlighting concealer under my eyes and also on the high points of my face. This is one of the best concealers available in the market, and it's a little bit on the expensive side, but you can definitely check it out. It's worth it. Then I am blending it with my pack brush. If you wish to see a video on affordable brush options, then you can check it out. I'll link at the top. Next, I'm using this Laura Mercier powder. So it's the mini one, and I have seen it all over the internet. Everyone is using it, so I myself gave it a try, but I didn't find it extraordinarily good. And then I'm moving on to my Bobbi Brown bronzer and bronzing my face. For blush, I'm using this palette by Becca. It's a highlighting blush palette, so it has highlighter as well as blush. So I am using it on my cheeks, a little bit on my chin. For my brows today, I'm using this brow pomade by Kat Von D. It's in the shade dark brown, and I'm filling up my brows using this angled brush. and using the spoolie to brush the hair up and making sure that the product is well blended. Then for eye makeup, I'm using my Morphe palette and starting with this warm brown shade, I'm applying it in my crease using a blending brush. Next, I'm using this shimmery green goldenish shade and applying it in the inner part of my eye. Then moving on to this red shimmery shade, and I'm using it on my lid using a flat brush, but fingers give you the highest color payoff, so I'm using my fingers and getting the color. Then I am using this brown shade, which is a cool tone brown, and defining my crease area and blending it out, and also applying it on the outer part of my eye. Adding some definition on the lower lash line with the same red shade, and then I am adding this kajal pencil from Forever 52, using it on the upper waterline as well as on the lower one, and adding a thick winged liner. So I started with a thin one and then I kept on adding it, so it got really thick in the end, but yeah, I like the whole look. So I wasn't getting it on the camera, so yeah, I shut the camera off and then did my liner, and this is what I stopped at. And adding my lashes, these ones are from Cilios, and yeah, these are beautiful mink lashes. Then I'm adding a beautiful red shade, the lip liner is by KIKO, and I'm lining my lips and adding a Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. And yeah, this is how the look has turned out to be, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, you know the drill. You have to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.